Local news for Wednesday, the 18th of September. I'm Brent Gare. Winds wreaked havoc in parts of the region yesterday, with the Featherston Fire Brigade responding to 6 call-outs in 4 hours. There were intermittent power cuts and flying debris into a train driver, interrupting services on the Wairarapa line, as well as trees downed and some property damage reported. A truck overturned near Ikirahuna. Featherston will tonight host to meet the candidates night. Candidates from all 3 wards and the Greater Wellington Regional Council will be attending at the Machines Bar and Restaurant at 6 p.m. Carterton's is also tonight at the Event Centre at 6:30 p.m. And the District Councils of Wairarapa are hosting the Rubbish Trip's popular presentation on zero waste living in Featherston tomorrow night. The evening, held at the Community Centre, will cover how the zero waste principles can revolutionise your perspectives on living and lifestyle beyond your rubbish bin, and innovative examples of waste minimisation. That's at 6:30 tomorrow night. And in sport, Wairarapa Rugby League are looking to take 11 and 12-year-olds to play in the Tamariki tournament in October. There's training tonight at Pioneer from 4 and Sunday from 9:30. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.